Hello and welcome to JULABO. My name is Alex and today I will show you how easy it is to fill an external application connected to our highly dynamic temperature control systems, PRESTO. If you haven't seen our video about how to connect an external application, make sure to check it out first before proceeding. After you connected the external device, connect the PRESTO to the mains voltage and turn it on. The unit will be in the off status and a signal for low liquid level appears. To mute the signal, press the red box. To start the filling procedure, select the submenu Install Unit and then Fill Unit. You can choose between 3 different distances. Small for less than 3 meters, medium for 3 to 10 meters and large for more than 10 meters tube lengths. This sets the runtime of the pump for the filling process. Simply choose Small. The PRESTO now asks you to refill some liquid until the display turns green. Open the housing lid to remove the plug of the liquid reservoir. Now you need to slowly pour heat transfer fluid into the opening. Our tip: to make your daily work easier, we offer our bath fluids with a practical drainage nozzle. When the liquid level indicator is about a quarter green, you can use the power button to stop the PRESTO and then restart it. Now the filling mode is started. You can see the liquid level indicator and you can change the pump stage. You only need to keep an eye on the display when the minimum level is reached. The circulation will stop automatically. If too much bath fluid is filled in, or if the bath fluid expands due to heating during operation, a warning is activated and the display lights up yellow. In this case, use the upper drain cock to drain the bath fluid. The lower drain valve is used for complete draining. But beware, do not drain the bath fluid while it is hot or cold. If the liquid level remains constant, wait a few more seconds before stopping the process. In this way, you can ensure that the entire system is degassed. The pump pressure should also be observed on the display. A constant pressure indicates a complete degassed system. Now your external application is ready to use. But don't forget to turn on your stirrer. I hope this short tutorial was helpful. If you need more details or if you have any questions, please feel free to contact us at any time. Thank you and see you soon.